a heartfelt Independence Day release. The entire cast and crew have worked diligently and passionately for nearly over 3.5 years in kind of putting the film together. Siddharth Malhotra, Kiara Advani, the entire cast and crew, entire ensemble of actors have really resonated with their parts. Please make sure you give Shesha all the love. And in fact, Rata Lambia, the first song that we launched just day before yesterday, has been meeting with a lot of amazing responses, and it's been trending, and it's also on all the charts. So I hope you guys are singing Rata Lambia. It has all the love in the air, and it has all the love in the song. So it's our romantic ode to all of you in these absolutely trying and turbulent times. Okay. Okay, hey. Do you talk to Kajal? When was that? I said, oh, Kajal came home for lunch the other day. She loves playing with my baby. She came. Thank you. Lots of love for Shersha. I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And I accept that love on behalf of the team. They've really worked very hard. In fact, we had an incredible time when we went to Kargil to launch the trailer on Kargil Divas. Such a great feeling. There was such a feeling of patriotism. There was such a feeling of pride in all our hearts. And we were really honored to be there, just with the Indian Army, and who gave us all the love and support, and we respect them from the bottom of our hearts. And this film is an ode to them, and we really hope that it resonates with all of you. Okay. Please convey hello to Siddharth. I will. Takht. People ask me about Takht. Well, I will make Takht right after I am done with Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, which, by the way, I start this month. So wish me luck, guys. I'm back on set after 6 years. Okay. Hi, Kunal. How are you? Lots of love to you. Everyone sending lots of love. Anyone have questions? Come on, shoot. I'm in the mood to answer them. Say hi to Kiara. Of course I will. It was Kiara's birthday yesterday. She celebrated with all her friends and family. Hello, sir, from Tiani's team. Hello. Lots of love to you from Tiani. I look forward to collaborating with you. Any update on Brahmastra? Brahmastra is the hugest, largest project being made with Dharma Productions, with Disney, and Ayan Mukherjee is the man. He's put in his blood, sweat and tears in the film, as if the entire cast, and we can't wait to kind of finish the principal photography and get it to you next year. It's going to be a film I'm sure all of you are going to be immensely proud of. When was that? What was the toughest part of shooting Shesha? I think the crew and the cast would be more equipped to answer that, but I think it was their 2-month-long shoot in Kargil, which wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. The terrain, the general action sequences in that climate, it wasn't easy. It was very tough on the crew and the cast, and they pulled through beautifully. And the results are for all of you to see. Hi Tashu, I'm sending you huge hugs. Tashu from Delhi, my closest friend. On Friendship's Day, Tashu. Best way to connect with you. Show your new shoes. Now, how do I show you my new shoes? It look mad, no? On Insta Live, I'll be showing you my jutas. Okay. Please show us Yash and Ruya. Oh, they're not here. They're not here. I would have. I absolutely would have. They're not here with me. I'm actually at studio shooting. Okay, coffee with Karan kab aayega? Aa jayega. Hi Bhavna, how are you? Give a big kiss to Ananya. Coffee with Karan will be here next year on your Hotstar screens, I promise you. Yes, Shesha, lots of love for Shesha. I'm so excited that you guys are loving the trailers, the songs, and hi Anjali, I can't wait to be on set with you. So guys, Anjali Dinesh Anand is in Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, and she's on the chat as well, and she has a wonderful part and a wonderful role, and I can't wait to work with her. Oh, my Iman says my mic is blocked. Is it okay now? What am I doing? Can you hear me now, guys? Man, my mic is off. My hand is on no speaker now. God, I am such a technically crazy person. Abhi sunai de raha hai? हाँ, sunai de raha hai. Okay, lovely. Thank you, Bhavna. Thank you, Tashu, and thank you, Namto. Hi, Faras. How are you doing? Good to hear from you as well. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Okay, it's on. Thank you. Thank you for guys for informing me. When will you see me on Super Dancer 4? But I was not on Super Dancer 1, 2 and 3. Why will you see me on Super Dancer? Anjali, hi. Now that you can hear me, I just wanted to tell everybody that you're in Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani and I'm very excited. Hitesh ji, all my love to you. How are you? I look forward to seeing you soon, Hitesh ji. Again for one of our wonderful evenings. Seema. Hi, Seema. I miss you. I believe you were quarantined in London. I hope you made it out okay. Okay. Hi, Sid. How are you doing? All right. There's another Siddharth Malhotra in the house, guys. The director Siddharth Malhotra, and I can't wait to see what you've done with your next film, Sid. He made such a gorgeous film in Hichki. Hello, Azim. Azim is our heartbeat of music. Our music curator, supervisor, is actually largely responsible for so many successful albums in Dharma Productions. And now Shersha is his next album. And in fact, Rata Lambia, where we began with, has got so much love. And Azim is really tracking it very fervently. So I hope you guys are really buzzing to the melody of Rata Lambia. I wish I could sing it, but unfortunately I can't sing at all. Otherwise, all of you will run away from here. Hi, Ravinder. How are you? Lots of love to you. Okay. Suryavanshi, I'm sure information about Suryavanshi will reach you really soon. Hi, Fateh. How are you doing? Lots of love. So many lovely people on this chat. Okay. Any other questions anyone has? Okay. All right. So guys, what's happening in Dharma? Exciting things. It's a really fun, exciting month of August. We have... Oh, Gauri, did you ask something? Gauri, I missed your message. Yes, as soon as you're back, Gauri, from wherever you are, which I don't want to mention, there's going to be a screening at Mannat for Shersha. We're all very excited. All right. Okay. Brahmastra, I gave all the updates on Brahmastra already. For those who are late to the party, we're all very excited about bringing it to you next year. It's a solid, dynamic experience, that film. And I can't tell you how much Ayan has put his blood, sweat and tears into every frame of that film, as has the entire cast and crew. And everybody's been working diligently and fervently for the last 5 years. That film has got epic love and energy around it. And I'm sure that all of you will resonate with all that intense love that's gone in the making of it. Hi Balu, how are you? When is the screening in Hyderabad? We'll have one for you for sure. You've been such a support through the film and we look forward to showing you the film, Balu. Okay, Shakun's next. Yes, the Shakun's next is nearly done. In fact, we have a few days of shoot left. So we're going to release Shakun's film very soon. As soon as I have those details, we'll announce it and we'll let you know through our social media platforms. Bah. Hi Utkarsh, hi M.R. Rajput, Mamta, hello. Hello to so many of you. Any other questions? I have just 2 minutes more, guys. I'm going to go before I'll have to say toodles to all of you. Coffee with Karan will be on your Hotstar sets next year, I promise you. And this time there will be some fun new additions which I don't want to share with you right now. Okay. Yash and Ruhi, They're not here with me. I'm on set, but they send you lots of love. Okay. Lots of love to you. Okay, guys. Poojan, take your name. I took your name. Poojan, are you 75 born? Is that why your handle says Poojan 1975? Oh, Bigg Boss OTT. Well, that's going to be something. Well, who else but me can be OTT along with Bigg Boss OTT? Really excited about that. Huge opportunity. And I hope I can really, do you guys proud when I'm on that show. Then, of course, I can't wait for Salman to weave his magic on colors as he always does year after year. He's truly the bona fide Bigg Boss. Hi, Laurie. How are you? So long. Sending you so much love. My love to Paul. Kids are great, guys. Thank you so much. Anurag, 47, wants me to take his name. Here you go. All right. It's Toodles time, guys. I'm going. They're just calling me for the shot. I'm just going. I'm shooting at a studio. I'm shooting for something exciting, which I'll tell you about very soon. In fact, some fun things I've done in the last couple of days. I wish I could talk to you about it, but I'm all under like NOC and all that. I know Rajiv, London is calling, but what do I do? London is not allowing. It's just calling. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big hug to you. Take care. Stay safe. And remember that the pandemic is not over and out. We are still very vulnerable. So please make sure you're masked and you're sanitized and you're always washing your hands. Please make sure that you're really careful for you and your loved ones. Lots of love. I love you all.